Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. How you doing? This is Air Pressure, and if this is your first time of being here, you are not mistaken. On this channel we talk about everything about air, what is trending about air, and also we teach and mentor on how to ventilate. I mean how to achieve that your wig, that your lovely full lace, that your lovely frontal, how to ventilate it basically. That's what we do here. So today I want to teach us the step by step of ventilation. If you are a beginner, if you are starting ventilating new, how to go about it, how to start it, this is what we are learning today. And the first thing we'll be doing is the normal one: pick a hole, leave a hole, and leave a line, go to another line. That's what we'll be doing. Don't bother yourself. You see all this inside practical. I just want to say this before I start to show you how to go about it. And mind you, if you've done ventilating before, like along the way you drop it, I'll say you should not quit, because the first time of me ventilating, it was it was not easy. It was tedious because I'm starting new, and this new thing I'm being exposed to, so it's a little bit tedious. It actually needs patience and calmness. I tell you, it took me more than 1 week before I got it. And mind you, as I continue in it, then I progress. That's another thing about ventilating. If you drop it, then that's the end of it. But if you continue to do per time, you get it right, and you become pro in less than a month. I can tell you that. I can guarantee you that. So today we'll be learning about the normal way of ventilating. We have many types, and I will be teaching us as we go on this channel. I'd like you to follow me so that you get notification of new types of ventilating. I'm going to take my time, and I'm ready to receive questions, and also I'm ready to at the same time answer your questions. So feel free to ask me any question about ventilating, and I'm here for you. So let's go into the do today. This is mannequin. Let me adjust my camera so that you can see what I'm doing. This is mannequin hair, and they call it doll hair as well. And also we have our nets, as you can see. Of course, I've done a video on equipment you need as a beginner for ventilating. You can do well to check that. So this is hair net. Don't mind my net. Don't mind my net. So this is ventilating net. We call it air net also, or lace. Mind you, it's different from the window net, and it's also different from the cloth net. So this is not coerce. If you can feel it, for you to know it when you go to the market, it's not coerce. It's not stretchy. It's soft. It's not that soft. It's in between. Let me use that word. So without wasting much of our time, then you place your nets on your doll head, then you pin it with this pin. I hope you see that. With this pin, you pin it. I will recommend this type of pin, because if by the time you are pinning this, you will not need to there won't be any disturbance while ventilating around this pin, and it helps you to achieve a good firm of pin. A good firm, it makes it firm and tighten. So it helps you to also be in charge of what you are doing at the same time. So I recommend this type of pen because I've seen many pens that ventilator use. Then you pin it at the edge like this. So the last edge, do that. As you can see, I've achieved my firm net. Now it's firm and I'm ready to ventilate. Then I'll pick my ventilating needle. I've also done a video on this also for you to see on how to fix your ventilating needle. I've done a video to present that. I will include you to do well to check it also. Then I will pick my hair. You know, for a beginner, I advise that you pick just small strands of hair. Mind you, this my hair that I'm picking, I've cut into my desired length and I've combed out the excess, the small part. I've done that. So you pick small strands of hair like this, then you make a U. Of course, as you can see what I've done, you make a U, then it will be at your, no, okay, don't let me give you any hints. It will be on, because if you happen to be a left hand user, so that it won't confuse it, just make sure you put it at the place it will help you do well. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Then so now my hair is to my left hand and my pin is to my right hand. Then I pick a hole. I try to pick a hole, as you can see. Then place my hair on my needle. I will use my needle to pick just 2 strands of hair, which I've done. Then bring it out of my hole. Then make a 360. Then bring it out and knot it. What I'm basically doing is I'm trying to knot. That's what I'm doing. Let me try and do another one slowly. I will stop talking. I'll do another one slowly. I hope you can see that. I'll do another one slowly. Let me do another one. like you to try it. Yes, I would like you to try it, and you can send to me, give me a comment, tell me your experience trying it for the first time, how it goes. Okay, okay. I hope you've learned one thing or the other. I would like you to click on that comment, that comment section, and put down your questions there. As I've said, I'm here to answer all your questions. And also, I would like to give it a like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. That will go a long way for me. Thanks so much. See you next time. We'll be having another training next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.